Are you ready to elevate your garage space? Transforming your garage floor with DIY epoxy coating is an exciting project that not only enhances aesthetics, but also adds durability. The epoxy coating process involves cleaning, repairing, and applying a resin-based finish that creates a sleek, glossy surface. This upgrade protects your floor from stains and damage and makes it easier to clean. Step 1. Gather the necessary materials and tools for the epoxy coating. To kick off your garage transformation, gather essential materials and tools. You'll need an epoxy coating kit, concrete cleaner, a paint roller, and safety gear like gloves and goggles. Using high-quality materials is crucial for ensuring durability and a long-lasting finish. Opt for reputable brands to avoid premature wear and peeling. You can find these items at local hardware stores or home improvement centers, where knowledgeable staff can assist you in selecting the best products. Online retailers also offer a wide range of options, making it easy to compare prices and read reviews before making your purchase. Step 2. Prepare the garage floor for coating. Preparing your garage floor is essential for a successful epoxy coating application. Start by clearing the garage of all items, creating a clean and spacious workspace. Once cleared, thoroughly clean the concrete surface using a concrete cleaner to remove dirt, grease, and stains. This step ensures proper adhesion of the epoxy. After cleaning, rinse the floor with water and allow it to dry completely. This drying period is crucial, as any moisture can compromise the coating's effectiveness. Taking the time to prepare your garage floor properly will lead to a smoother, more durable finish that you'll love. Step 3. Repair any cracks or imperfections in the concrete. Before applying the epoxy coating, repairing any cracks or imperfections in your garage floor is vital. Start by identifying all visible cracks and using a concrete patching compound. This step ensures a smooth and even surface for the epoxy application. After applying the patching compound, use a trowel to smooth the repaired areas, blending them seamlessly with the surrounding concrete. Once you've completed the repairs, allow them to cure according to the manufacturer's instructions. Properly addressing these imperfections will enhance your epoxy-coated garage floor's overall finish and longevity. Step 4. Mix the epoxy coating. According to the instructions, mixing the epoxy coating correctly is crucial for achieving a flawless finish. Begin by carefully following the manufacturer's instructions for combining the epoxy components, which typically include a resin and a hardener. Use a mixing paddle and a clean bucket to ensure thorough blending. Mixing the components for the recommended time to achieve the right consistency is important. As you mix, keep an eye out for any lumps or inconsistencies. A smooth mixture is essential for an even application. Taking the time to mix properly will set the stage for a stunning and durable garage floor. Step 5. Apply the epoxy coating to the garage floor. Now it's time to bring your vision to life by applying the epoxy coating to your garage floor. Using a paint roller, evenly distribute the epoxy mixture across the surface, ensuring a consistent layer. To achieve the best results, work in sections, maintaining a wet edge to prevent lap marks and uneven patches. This technique helps create a seamless finish. If you want to add a touch of style, consider sprinkling decorative flakes into the wet epoxy for a textured look. This step enhances aesthetics and provides additional grip, making your garage floor both beautiful and functional. Step 6. Allow the epoxy to cure and finish the project. After applying the epoxy coating, allowing it to cure properly for the best results is crucial. Follow the recommended curing time before walking on the surface, as this ensures the coating hardens effectively. Avoid placing heavy items on the floor until fully cured to prevent any damage or indentations. While waiting, take the time to clean your tools and equipment immediately after use to prevent the epoxy from hardening on them. Once the curing process is complete, you can enjoy your newly transformed garage floor, ready to withstand daily wear and tear while looking fantastic. In this video, we've explored the essential steps to transform your garage floor with epoxy coating. Each step contributes to a stunning and durable finish, from gathering materials and preparing the surface to mixing and applying the epoxy. Completing this DIY project enhances your garage and brings a sense of accomplishment and pride. If you enjoyed this guide and found it helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends who might be interested in home improvement tips. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you.